So, welcome to the Business Automation Blueprint. This is the first step to automating your business with AI. Inside, you'll get 3 GPTs, 6 visual canvases, and it will create for you 3 knowledge documents that gives you a clear, contextual knowledge base for any AI automation tools that you need to create. So, what is the issue here? You can't automate what you haven't yet defined. So, before you build anything, a pipeline, a chatbot, an AI assistant, you need 3 things documenting: your strategy, your client journey, and your brand voice. And most people skip this step and then wonder why nothing works. So, let me introduce you to the solution. Inside this workspace, you will get 3 GPTs that work through your business and create 3 separate knowledge-based documents. You get document number 1, which is the business strategy document, which is your business model, your value propositions, your customer personas, journey maps, and the key activities that you need to make your business model work. Then you get document number 2, which is the pipeline architecture map. And this becomes the blueprint for every pipeline your business needs, from lead capture to client referral. And then you've got the third document, which is the brand voice style guide. And this becomes the single reference document so that every piece of content that you create sounds like you. This workspace, it goes through a workshop, and this is how the documents get built. Each GPT goes through the same process. You run the GPT, you save the output into your knowledge docs, and then you use that to map it on your visual canvases. That helps you to visualize and understand your business strategy and helps you communicate that with your team members or anybody else that needs to work inside your business. Now, let's take a look at each of these canvases and what they focus on. Number 1 is the business model canvas. This is the bird's eye view of how your business model works. Number 2 is the value proposition. This is the precise fit between what you offer and what your actual customers need. Then you have the ideal customer personas for each of your customer segments. Builds a profile of who they are, what drives them, and what holds them back. Number 4 is the customer journey maps. Each stage from awareness to long-term retention, including all the friction points and all the automation opportunities are in here. Then number 5, you've got listed all the key activities that you need to make your business model work. And this becomes your list of activities that you can turn into SOPs, which essentially are checklists to make sure that the work gets done consistently each time. And then finally, you've got number 6, which is the pipeline architect map. This takes your customer journey map, how your customers move through your business, and it visualizes all the pipelines that you need to help automate their movement through your business. So, what happens when you go through this workshop and create these documents and canvases? The possibilities are endless. You can begin to build automations and AI assistants and tools to help your business work. So with these documents, you're going to be able to upload them into any AI tool that you use and use that as context to explain how your business works, so it's consistent every time and not generic prompts. It's going to give you a visual map to help you build automations that reflect how your business actually works. And you can use these as context for AI assistants, but also for anybody else that works inside your business. And not only that, you can use these to prototype and optimize your business as it grows. And essentially, it goes from taking the business out of your head and visualizing it so that you understand how your business works, and more importantly, you can communicate that to your team and your AI assistants and tools. And not only that, it all lives inside one workspace where you can get your work done. You can store and organize your knowledge docs for every time that you need to export them or refer to them. It's got your visual canvases on the whiteboards, and it's got your task management so that you can put your strategy into action by managing all your tasks, projects, timelines, and dashboards. Once you've got your automation blueprint, you can start growing your business. We've got areas inside your workspace to store all your SOPs in an SOP library. All the content that you need to produce, you can follow the content production workflow. And for every client project, you've got the client project template that you can spin up and onboard new clients. And for any new products or services that you want to build, there is also a products and services launch template as well. So it's not your ADHD that needs fixing, your systems do. So get your business automation blueprint today. It's built for ADHD brains and powered by AI. One workspace, 3 GPTs, 6 canvases, creating 3 knowledge docs, which is the first step to automating your business. So click the link below or head on over to adhdentrepreneur.co and start automating your business today.